Hakimi, Hakimi is a wise but foolish man. Yes, if you ask me, I will tell you that Hakimi, the footballer in France, is a wise man, but at the same time, he is a foolish man. Yes, I know the matter. Some people will even say, the matter is done die. The matter is far gone. People are even forgetting about the matter. No, you can't forget about the matter when me, I have not talked about the matter. It is now that me, I want to even talk about, because before I talk about anything, I like to sleep over it. So I have slept over it and I have analyzed the matter, and I understand where the whole problem is coming from. Now, understand my point before you go to the comment section and say, I don't know what I'm saying. Now, I know I don't have sense. I know I don't have sense. But at the same time, try to listen to me. I might be making some sense. Now, Hakimi is a wise man, because we have had experiences of so many black footballers, even white footballers, that have had cases with their wife, and the court will say share the wealth into two and give the women. That guy that play in Arsenal, Emmanuel Eboué, he has the same issue. Ashley Cole, the same issue. John Terry, the same issue. So many players, Ibrahim Babangida, that's our footballer in Nigeria, the same issue of divorce, as they say, the property into two. It's the same thing. So Hakimi is a wise man, because Hakimi has, the only way you can learn your lesson is through experience. So Hakimi has had experience, has learned through experience of what happened to the former players. So he used that experience to arrange himself. But why I say he's foolish is because this woman have children with you. You have two children with this woman. Yes. So is it not even good to even give us the half of the property? That is foolishness, because automatically your children are going with her and your children will suffer. Why don't you even say, okay, fine, I know you are not worth for me to give you the 50%, but let me even give you the half because of my children. But you say no. Now, narrow it down to Nigeria. A lot of people are saying, Hakimi is a wise man. He's a wise man. From now on, we are wise. We will not be doing like Hakimi. Let me tell you, there are so many Nigerians that are abroad, that are outside the country. They have been sending money to their mother, for their mother to even help them to build house. And their mother will eat the money. They will come back after how many years? Some of them are packing shit. Some of them are killing old women. Some of them are doing different things in Italy, in Spain, and they will earn money. They send it to their mother. Their mother chops the money. They will come back, no property. They will be fighting in the family. So you that are saying, you want to be using your mother's name to buy something. Your mother might not be like Hakimi's mother, pa. Hakimi's mother even have sense. Your mother might be one dangerous woman. Wallahi, she will just chop all your money for nothing. And as for women, that you hear all the men are saying they want to be buying property in their mother's name. Be going with them, pa. If you see that your husband wants to buy something, follow him. If they are signing, look, then just stand. And at the end of the day, nothing will come to you. You will just be in a marriage. Because me, I'm not of support. And now, somebody say, before a woman will ask for a man's property, she must have suffered with the man. I agree with that person. Yes, because you cannot just come into a marriage, you didn't do anything, you didn't make any impact, and the next thing you say, you want to divorce, and the man should give you half of his hard-earned property. Where were you when he was even making the money? What did you contribute for him? Nothing. And you want to go with app. Are you a tip? Are you a tip now? It's only tip that will not invest and want to take. If you invest in a man, the both of you have the property together. Just like Yul Edochie's wife. May, she said never will that Judy enter the house because the house was built by she and Yul. And Yul did not oppose because he knows that him as the wife builds the house. That is why he cannot even oppose. Let's say he's the only one that builds the house. That woman cannot tell him not to bring another woman inside. So if a woman that wants to invest, follow your man and build together. Nigerian girls want big man. If he doesn't have money, I don't want to marry. If it's not cash out, I don't want to be. If it's not, that's why you fall into the wrong hand. Invest with your man. Yes, if you invest with your man, if you and your man, you do things in synergy and you buy properties together, there is no way your man will want to go and put his mother name in the property. It is only when you have shown you are a criminal, because Hakimi must have seen sign of some criminalities in that woman. That's why from the start, he went to buy everything in his mother's name. And now when the woman seek for divorce, the court is even saying Hakimi will take 50% of the woman's property. So you see, she thinks she's wise. She doesn't know. Wise. So what I'm saying is simple. For all the women that are saying Hakimi did not do the right thing, it's not fair. He doesn't know what the guy saw, and he doesn't know how the woman came. Even the men, open your eyes so that you can know how a woman is coming. When you see a woman that came to rip you up everything, you will know from the start. But when you see a woman that is coming to your life to follow you and plan, that's why you see so many girls out there that don't have somebody to marry them, because their eye is all about what the man have. Their eye is looking. The moment you stand in front of a girl, you just tell her, hi, hello, I like you. The next thing she's looking is your pocket. If you even tell her you are coming to see her, she wants to look the car you are driving. Are you playing? They are looking for what you have. And you have the mind, you have the eye to see the one that is coming for what you have. Yes. After that, I don't have sense. Me, I don't know. The matter is complex. So what I'm saying is that both Hakimi and the wife, they will be fine. User is watching. User, you are watching. Go to the comment section. Tell me what you think. Do you think that Hakimi is right? Or do you think that Hakimi is wrong? Who do you even support? Do you even support the wife for what she say she wants 50% of them? And you are the one that filed for divorce. And you are the one that is saying you want 50%. So go to the comment section and tell me what you think. Do you think Hakimi did the right thing by registering everything he have under his mother? So go and just check the comment section and tell me. I want to even know what people think, because a lot of people have their opinion. So let me even know what you think. Tell me what you think on the comment section. And don't forget, it's not only you. Share it. Share this video to your contacts. Let them tell us. Let's even talk. Let's even communicate. Let us talk and know what who is at fault. Like I always say, I'm the Spice Creator. My name is Mala Shaibu. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. Don't forget to subscribe to my Facebook. Don't forget to follow. See you later. Thank you.